guys, my name is Marina and today I'm going to be sharing with you my summertime curly hair routine. Just for a little bit of reference, I have 3 B curls and I also have medium to low porosity hair. So guys, if you want to learn more about how I achieved these curls, keep watching this video.
Alright guys, I am fresh out of the shower and I went ahead and used this Garnier Whole Blends Illuminating Shampoo and Conditioner. This one has the Moroccan Argan and Camellia Oil extracts, which my hair loves and leaves it very shiny. And I use this empty Pure Clean Garnier Fructis Detangler, which I do like, but I used the empty and mixed the Whole Blends Illuminating Conditioner and diluted that.
Hey guys, I almost forgot to mention that the deep conditioner that I used after I cleansed my hair twice was this Marrakesh Miracle Masque. It is fantastic. I love it so much that I actually use it down to the very last bit. So I sat with this deep conditioner in my hair and underneath my, very dirty, deep conditioning shower cap for about 2 hours prior to rinsing. I left in a little bit of this product when I rinsed it out. I find that my hair just needs that extra moisture. And then I went ahead and raked in all the products that you will see next.
So now that we are all set with our deep conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down, and this is what it's looking like. Looks good. I'm happy with it, but definitely gonna go back in and add some extra moisture. We're gonna take that deep conditioner that we sort of made earlier with that Illuminating Whole Blends conditioner, and I'm gonna just drench that hair, okay? So now I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb to evenly rake all of this leave-in conditioner through my hair. Alright, now that we got all that product throughout the hair, evenly distributed, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections. If you can do smaller sections, that's great too. You can better distribute product in your hair that way, but I could only locate 3 of my clips. And I was actually pretty upset about this because I don't really like to use elastics in my hair. Well, look what I found. I'm not feeling that elastic, not one bit. Much better. So now I'm going to be adding in some scalp oil. This one's by the Natural Hipster, and it has sandalwood and peppermint, which I absolutely love for my scalp. It's so invigorating and it smells beautiful. I'm going to be linking the Natural Hipster's products down below if you want to give them a try. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh parts of my hair that I think got a little bit dry with the leave-in conditioner that we made from the Garnier products. And I'm gonna go ahead and rake that through. And then the next product that I'm gonna be using is going to be the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Elongating Gel, which is a product I absolutely love. However, this particular wash and go, because of the next tool that I'm going to be using, this brush, is not going to be anti-shrinkage. It is in fact going to shrink your hair because I want the definition and I don't mind sacrificing length for beautiful defined curls. So that's what we're doing here. Now here I'm going back to kind of correct that part that you see in the middle here. And I'm just gonna kind of trust my instincts on this one, but I'm gonna continue to move the brush through that area to get my curls to move the way I want. And just a little bit of a tip here, if you do want a wash and go that is going to yield some stretching of your curls and you don't want the shrinkage, just dish the brush and rake the product through with your fingers. So guys, I'm just gonna finish doing what I've been doing on the rest of my hair with this side, and I do curly bangs. So what you're going to see is me making space for my bangs and I'm gonna show you how I go about doing that. But first I'm gonna get the product through the rest of my hair first. Yeah, these clips are definitely kind of a mess. Now, as you can see here, I'm taking smaller sections with the brush and I'm brushing outwards away from the scalp. And this helps create more volume as my hair dries, as opposed to brushing it flat down against my scalp. So yeah, that's a nice little tip. Yeah, these curls was coming out real cute or whatever. Alright, so this is my favorite part. I'm gonna just refresh my bangs a little bit with that leave-in. And I'm using a smoothing brush because I really want to be careful with producing frizz around the perimeter of my head. And I just go ahead and finger coil my bangs just to create a more defined, perfected frame of curls around my face. This is my favorite part. I just love it. So now I'm basically gonna kick my feet up, have a snack, chillax, watch some SVU, and allow my hair to air dry for a couple of hours. And I'll be right back to show you how it looks. Alright guys, I let my hair dry naturally for the rest of the evening, and this is what it looks like. And And now I'm gonna take my satin scrunchie and I'm gonna flip to a pineapple. I'm gonna allow the cast to lay on my hair overnight. I'm not gonna tease or anything. I'm just really tired and I'm gonna just sleep on it like this and pick it all out tomorrow. And for a little extra support, I'm gonna use my satin scarf to protect my hair along with the pineapple. I actually sleep with a satin pillowcase as well, but you could just never be protected enough. So I'm gonna get some Z's and catch some Z's, and I'll be back, guys, and I'll show you what my hair looks like in the morning. Good morning, guys. I am back. I am well rested, put some makeup on and got cute for you today. And now we're gonna go ahead and take this silk scarf down and bear the fruits of our labor. It looks like our ringlets are nicely preserved and the silk scarf did its job. And now we're gonna take this satin scrunchie down and slowly allow the curls to fall. Now, guys, this next step is extremely important. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Frieda Frizz serum. This is a curly girl holy grail as far as I'm concerned. But I'm gonna put some of this serum towards the tips of my fingers because this is the part of my hand that the curls are going to be touching. And when you put a little serum or oil or any oil really on the tips of your fingers, you're going to really avoid frizz while you're uncoiling each curl. So this is incredibly important. This is an incredibly important step, and I'm just gonna grab my curls sort of from the roots, not to do too much, but just about enough. And I'm going back in at the root with that leave-in conditioner and sort of forcing the curls to lay the way that I really want them to. But I'm being very gentle because I don't want to cause any unnecessary frizz in this process. Now I'm continuing to replenish this product to my fingertips as it starts to become absorbed by my hair. I really want to make sure that my fingers are like mad oily because I don't want any unnecessary frizz. And as you can see here, I am just grabbing those big juicy curls and I am breaking them into smaller ones. But I'm really focusing on the curls that are larger and sort of piled on top of each other into one big fat curl so that I can create some volume. Now, what I'm also trying to demonstrate here is the decasting process on one side of my hair for volume versus leaving the dried cast of product on the opposite side. If you want a longer style, I would suggest, especially if you live in a really humid place, to just not decast and let your curls stay crunchy like they are on this side here for a longer lasting wash and go. But I like my volume and I don't mind a little bit of frizz in my style personally. Now what I'm doing here is I'm flipping to the opposite side so I can really get my hands in and get access to curls that I may not get if I just leave my hair flat, standing straight. So yeah, flipping is good for volume. Flipping is good to make sure that you're accessing all parts of your hair. Alright guys, these are my final results. The very last thing that I'm going to be doing is sealing all of the product with a little bit of jojoba oil, and this just ensures that every bit of product that we put in here stays nice and put. Fantastic. I would normally pick this out with a pick, but right now I cannot locate my pick, so I'm just kind of giving this a little bit of a scrunch. Again, my hair really likes jojoba at the very end, just to kind of seal everything. So we are at the end of this video. I really hope that you found this information helpful. Make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what your summer-proof curly hair tips are. I am always happy to learn, and I want this to be a community. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe, guys, and follow me on Instagram if you want to stay connected. And in the meantime, I look forward to our next video. Bye-bye.